Alright guys, with the bumper cover now off, the next thing we're going to tackle is this bracket right here. So we're going to basically, these bolts, these are 10 bolts, we're going to tackle these bolts, take off the brackets, and then take, well, the horn has to come off too as well, I guess. And then we'll see what else we have to do. Alright guys, so I pulled off the brackets. Now I pulled off the bracket. Oh, there was also another bolt holding it in right here. And don't forget to pull out these little flaps out of the bracket as you pull it off. And also to pull off the cable. And don't forget to put it back on, because if you close the hood with that cable not put back on, you will not be able to open up back the hood of the car. Anyway, here is the radiator. So it looks like next we have to get the headlights. This headlight out of the way. Alright, and here are the bolts for the headlights. Let me see. There's a bolt here. This bolt right here holds it. And turn the camera a little bit so you can see this bolt. And let me see. Maybe this bolt might be holding it in as well. This might be a 12 bolt. This might be 12. We're gonna see anyway. So, and then there is a, let me see if there's another bolt holding it. I don't see any more bolts. Yeah, there's one little bolt. You're not gonna be able to see it from here. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you guys where it is. It's right there. Can you see it? Right there. That little bolt right there. Right there. Can't really, right there. There it is. That bolt right there. It's the same thing on the next side. This one's also a bit easier to get to. You can see it easily. And then also, you know, bolt here and bolt right there. Alright, let's get to it. Let's pull it off. So I stand corrected. The two top side bolts are basically 10. They're 10 millimeters, and then the one that's all the way on the inside is going to be an 8. Obviously an 8. Hey guys, there you go. And now the headlights are practically off. I may have to pull these off. And this, and the front bumper itself may have to come off as well. So, you know, I'll just do that. I'll just pull it off. I'll just pull them off. And these little dust covers too as well. I'll pull out these dust covers. You know what I mean? Pull off everything and just be done with it right now. I'm gonna have to pull off these harness too out of it. Make sure it's not really in the way. Yep. Alright, well, let's get that done. We'll start with pulling off these. There's screws in there. It's all 10s. It's all 10s. And then this is gonna be the hardest one. Well, practically done. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now I have off the bumper frame. Lights are on the side. All that's left is to take off this, the condensers. And these are all 8 bolts. 8 bolt. Yeah, take them off, hang them off to the side, and then time to take off the hoses off of this too. So that's where we are right now. Have to take off the fan too as well, and then that's it. Yeah, you can see that I kind of destroyed my hand. Well, whatever, it is what it is. Alright people, we're on the final stretch. Right now, I have to pull off these hoses. This hose right here, and pull it off from here. Then, and of course the bottom hose as well. The bottom hose is all the way around here, right there. Here's the bottom hose right here. And I have to pull off this clamp right here. Alright, so let's get to it and see if we can take it out. Alright people, so I got the radiator out. It's right over here with the fan on it. So what's next? Next I have to put on a new radiator with the brackets and everything. Time to get to it, and then I'm going to reinstall. It might just take me another hour to reinstall, and I'm going to take my time with this because since it's my first time, I don't want to lose or miss any screw or anything like that. Alright peeps, let's get to it. As you can see, this is a brand new radiator. I have to take off the fan and put that on right now. Let's do that, and then let's put it in the vehicle. The fan is held on by 2 8 bolts, and I have to definitely take off the brackets from the top. You gotta get the brackets off. Get the fan out. Looks like the fan lifts out from the top and then pushes in. Alright, let's get to it. It's warm, it's getting a little bit warm, but it's basically 4 o'clock in the evening right now. I want to basically finish this and show you the finished product. Alright peeps, so the old radiator, you can see the old radiator is over there with the bumper cover. New radiator, transferred everything to the new radiator. Now it's time to put it into the car and start reassembling. Alright guys, so the new radiator is in, the fan is on. It is now time to reassemble everything else. So this is gonna go back on, this on. I have to put back this onto the radiator as well. I'm gonna take it step by step and put everything back together. Alright, so now radiator in, the coolers are in, front bumper cover, condensers are in. Yep. Alright, next is gonna be the brackets and the light. All the brackets, the side brackets, the spacing brackets, the lights, top brackets. Putting back this, then the bumper cover to shit. Yo, that's gonna be the hardest part because that's gonna take like a good while to put it back up properly. Alright, so just finished putting on the headlights. I'm going to put on this bracket at the top, then it's gonna be the bumper, and then it's all done. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the last piece that you're waiting for, I have to put up the bumper, and then I'm going to put the radiator fluid in, and then that's gonna be it. Let's go. Hey everyone, so I'm currently finished. It is now 9 p.m. I'm warming up the car. I need to go get some radiator fluid because I don't know if you can see. Let me turn on the flashlight. I put about 2 gallons of radiator fluid in there, and then the car has, the radiator itself has to refill with the coolants and antifreeze. So I'm gonna go get myself 2 bottles. Thank you guys for watching, and leave your criticisms because it's gonna help me get better at doing stuff like this. Anyway, this is the Hebrew Jamaican Coolie. Peace. I am out. Hey guys, it's now 9:13. As you can see, 9:13. All right. So I was just feeling to see if I feel anything wet, if I feel anything super wet or anything like that, to see if I'm getting anything from the hose. Seems good so far. I guess during the week it will tell. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the video with other people who might be having this problem with their 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This was the replacement of the radiator. Yep. All's good, all's good, all's good. Enough love and blessings, please. I'm out.